Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best torque sticks is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any serious mechanic or DIY enthusiast, ensuring that every nut and bolt is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications, preventing damage and ensuring a long-lasting, reliable repair. This comprehensive review will delve into the features, benefits, and considerations of choosing the right torque stick set for your needs, helping you make an informed decision and get the most out of your investment. Number 5. Aries 70367 Torque Limiting Extension Bar Set. This 2-inch drive extension bar set is designed to prevent over-tightening. It's perfect for use with your impact tools, helping you avoid damaging fasteners. These bars are made of durable chrome molybdenum steel with a protective coating. The set includes 5 bars, each with a different torque limit. Each bar is color-coded for quick and easy identification. This makes finding the right bar for the job simple and efficient. Their 8-inch length makes them ideal for use in hard-to-reach areas. They help prevent damage to nuts, bolts, and rotors. These extension bars are backed by our Performance Assurance Limited Lifetime Warranty. Contact customer service if you have any issues. Aries is proud to support the ASPCA. A portion of proceeds helps this great organization. What we like. It prevents over-tightening with its unique flex action, making it safer for various tasks. The color-coded design ensures quick identification, saving you valuable time. If you value safety and durability, and want a lifetime warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. A few years ago I purchased this torque extension and another with the same torque rating. The other one had a 19mm 6-side socket, which fit many of my lug nuts. As I transitioned from factory to aftermarket wheels, I didn't like the tight fit of the other torque stick between the wheel and lug nut, and I didn't like the propensity to scratch my wheels. I switched to the Aries torque stick so I could use a nice Mac Tools lug nut socket with a protective sleeve. Anyway, we bought an SUV with lug nuts that require more torque than the 2 torque extensions I now have. I got my finely calibrated torque wrench out and decided to see how much torque was actually being applied by each torque extension. As long as I was getting a new extension, I recognized the chance that I may not be getting a full 80 ft-lbs of torque for my current products and wanted to make sure I have the products I need for proper torque. Well, I first measured the torque applied by my 80 ft-lbs Steelman torque extension. It was around 115 ft-lbs. I then tested my 80 ft-lbs Aries torque extension. It came in right at 80 ft-lbs. That's what I call them. They work great and are very accurate. I've tested and compared them against my digital torque wrench and these are right on the money. Comes in a very nice plastic case which holds them in place when not in use. I have been using torque sticks for the last 30 years and I am pleasantly surprised by this item. Verified with my calibrated torque wrench and it was like 2 to 3 pounds off. Just awesome. Number 4. ABN 2 inches Drive Torque Socket Extension Bar Kit. Working in tight spaces is now easier than ever. This kit helps you quickly loosen bolts and nuts at awkward angles, even in the toughest spots. It features a ball detent on the male end to securely hold your sockets. No more slipping parts or damaged machinery. Made from high-strength CRMO steel and manganese phosphate, it's built to resist rust and corrosion. The color-coded rings and laser-etched sizing make identification a breeze. The heavy-duty blow-molded case keeps everything neatly organized and easily transportable. It's perfect for your garage or toolbox. You get 5 color-coded extension bars, each with a clearly marked torque limit, plus a convenient carrying case. Get yours today. What we like. Its ball detent design ensures a secure hold on sockets, preventing slippage. Made from high-strength CRMO steel, it's built to last. If you need a convenient and durable set with a carrying case for easy storage and transport, this is a great option. What people say. I maintain our fleet of family vehicles and super helpful using my impact gun when replacing the lug nuts for our 5,000-mile tire rotations. I no longer have to worry about the impact tightening the lugs too much as I go with the lower setting torque. Example, I use the 65-foot LBS one for the cars with a torque of 80 and then manually torque up to 80. Have never found one torque too much which can damage expensive aluminum wheels. I only use the 80 # stick on 8 wheels. Hand snug bolts, stick in place, use the stick with air gun on low setting till it stops. Then manual 1-2 torque wrench. It only took 1/16 of a turn to achieve desired 87 #torque setting. Consistent on all. These Taiwan-made torque extensions work great. They function as described and as expected. Recommend for ranch and DIY purposes. Number 3. Astro 78810 Torque Set. This is the Astro 78810 10-piece torque limiting extension set. It's designed to accurately torque wheel nuts, preventing damage from impact wrenches. With this set, you can easily achieve the recommended torque for your wheel nuts every time. No more guesswork. It significantly increases efficiency by eliminating the need for multiple tools and time-consuming adjustments. Say goodbye to over-torqued nuts and the damage they cause. It helps prevent costly repairs and ensures safety. It requires no maintenance or calibration, saving you time and effort. Just grab it and get to work. Made of high-quality chrome molybdenum steel, it's built to last. The color-coded, matte finish makes it easy to identify the right extension. The set includes 10 1-2 drive torque limiting extensions, covering a wide range of torque specifications from 65 foot lbs to 150 foot-pounds. What we like. This set provides accurate torque limiting for wheel nuts, preventing damage from impact wrenches. It requires no calibration or maintenance, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize precision and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The set really helps speed things up without having to stop to reset a torque wrench to match vehicle spec. Just grab the correct color-coded bar and move on. I love how there are a bunch of these so you can get closer to your final torque by selecting the correct one for each specific nut-bolt situation. The case looks durable enough and is compact for putting in a drawer. The little handle is appreciated. I use these every day at work. Even though the color-coded collars slip off eventually, the 1-2 drive ends have held up well, and I can use any number of specs to torque wheels with. That is convenient. Number 2. MIXPOWER Wheel Protector Socket Set. This comprehensive set is designed to make wheel changes safer and easier than ever before. It includes both impact sockets and torque limiting extension bars, ensuring you get the job done right. It's made from high-quality, drop-forged chrome molybdenum steel for superior strength and durability. The color electroplate finish adds extra protection against corrosion. The set contains 4 color-coded torque-limiting extension bars and 4 protective lug nut impact sockets, covering a wide range of sizes. The nylon sleeves and inserts protect your wheels and lug nuts from scratches while you work. This set is designed to prevent damage and ensure a smooth process. These torque-limiting extension bars help prevent over-tightening, which can damage your lug nuts, bolts, and rotors. They're perfect for tight spaces. The color-coded rings make it easy to find the right tool quickly. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. This set meets or exceeds ANSI performance standards and comes with a 1-year quality guarantee, giving you peace of mind. What we like. The protective sleeves on the impact sockets prevent damage to your wheels. It comes with both torque-limiting extension bars and impact sockets, offering a complete solution. If you need a comprehensive set that protects your wheels and offers a variety of sizes, this is the best option. What people say. Has everything I need for my car, truck, and camper. I have a side gig with Allstate Roadside Assistance Network and I use this set every day and know a single socket had failed me. This is a quality set and I recommend it 100%. Everything in the kit works great, everything's been pretty durable. Number 1. MULWARK 1-2-inch Torque Wrench Set. It's built with high-quality materials for durability and accuracy. The gear head is made with 40 CRV, and the handle and nut are steel, ensuring a long lifespan. It also includes a 5-inch extension bar and a reducer. This innovative click mechanism ensures precision tightening. You'll hear or feel a click when the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and making it easy to use. It features dual scales in Newton meters and foot-pounds, so you can work with different measurement systems. This streamlines assembly and maintenance tasks. The handle is designed for comfort, reducing fatigue during use. Plus, it comes with a protective storage case to keep it safe and organized. The electroplating provides a smooth, protective finish that's easy to clean. And with an adjustable torque setting, you can customize it for any job. What we like. It features dual range scales for versatile use and high precision for accurate tightening. The convenient storage box keeps everything organized. If you need accuracy and convenience in a professional-grade tool, this is the one for you. What people say. Nicely made and versatile little torque wrench. Tool was very easy to use for tightening spark plug at the right setting. Surprisingly good and accurate even at low settings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.